Hello, my name is Chris Richards, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to access Seeds of Literacy's virtual classroom. The first thing you're going to need to decide is whether you'd like to access the virtual classroom using a phone call or using video, which can be done on a computer, tablet, or on a cell phone. If you're just calling in, you can dial our number 216-661-7950 during any of our class times, Monday through Thursday, 9 to 11 in the morning, 1 to 3 in the afternoon, and 6 to 8 in the evenings. When you call in, tell the receptionist that you'd like to go to the virtual classroom and they'll transfer you in, where you'll be matched with a tutor who can help you out. If you're using video, all you need to do is go to Seeds of Literacy's website. The first thing that will happen there is there will be a pop-up that will appear with updates about what Seeds of Literacy is doing during the COVID-19 crisis. Once you've read that information, you can close the pop-up. There, on the web page, you'll see a large button that says Click Here. Click on that, and you'll be taken to our resources page, where there's links to several things such as online resources and recorded lessons. You want to click where it says Video Tutoring. Here, you will find a page that describes our virtual classroom. It will talk briefly about what the classroom is, as well as providing the hours that it's available. It's the same hours that were available over the phone, 9 to 11, 1 to 3, and 6 to 8. When you're ready to begin, click Join Video Tutoring Session. You can do this by either clicking the large button on the bottom or by clicking the banner at the top that says Video Tutoring. Once you click on this, you will be taken to the Zoom page. The first time you do this, it will ask you to download and install a small program. This will allow your computer to share video and audio, which is necessary for virtual tutoring. Click on this and allow it to install. You will only need to do this the very first time that you run the virtual classroom through Zoom. Once that's installed, the easiest way to get the Zoom meeting started is to click on the back button. Then, once you're on our page again, click Join Video Tutoring Session a second time. This time, you will see a pop-up that says Open Zoom Meetings at the top. Click the button that says Open Zoom Meeting, and that will bring you in to the virtual classroom. When you enter the classroom, you'll be asked if you want to join with video or without video. Joining with video allows people to see whatever is visible from the camera on your device, and this allows you to see your tutor and them to see you. But if you don't want anyone to see you, you can click Join Without Video. Joining with video is the easiest way to engage in virtual tutoring, as it's most similar to a person-to-person interaction inside the classroom. After you've clicked your choice there, you'll be asked whether or not you want to join with computer audio. You need to click Join with Computer Audio if you want other people to be able to hear you. If you're using a smartphone or a tablet, you may need to give it permission by clicking the button that says Allow to use your microphone. You can use the same process if you're using Zoom over a cell phone. In both cases, you'll also be asked to enter your name. That's so other people will know who you are. Then you'll enter the Zoom meeting. Now you're in the virtual classroom. This is where you will be able to get help from a site coordinator or a tutor. Let the site coordinator know who you are and what you're working on. If you've been working with a tutor in the past, let them know that tutor's name, and they'll try to match you up as best as possible. Once the site coordinator has a matchup for you, they will send you into what's called an individual breakout room. This will be a private space where you and the tutor can work together. When the site coordinator sends you to the breakout room, it'll ask you if you want to join. Make sure you click Join to go and work with your tutor. If you need anything, you can always leave the breakout room and ask the site coordinator for more help. But as long as you and the tutor are working well together, you can keep working there. Zoom also has a few useful tools you might want to know about, such as the mute button, which can silence your microphone. This is useful if you're in a loud or crowded place. There's also the video button. You can turn this on or off if you don't want to share your video anymore. Press it again to make your video camera turn back on. There is also the participants screen. If you click on this button, you will be able to see the other participants that are there with you in the classroom. There's a chat window as well. If you click on that, you'll be able to send a message to the other people in the room. Simply type out your message and hit enter, and everyone else will be able to see what you just sent. The other feature that you can use is called sharing your screen. This will give you the option of either sharing any program on your computer, or it also offers an option for a digital whiteboard. The whiteboard is an option that if you click on it, will bring up a white space. In this white space, you and the tutor can draw or write anything you need to communicate. This can be especially useful when working on math problems, where certain symbols might be new to you. To get back to the regular classroom, just click Stop Sharing at the very top of the screen. On an Android phone, the controls are found at the bottom of the screen. There's even a small picture of yourself that you can tap on to make it bigger and check out what you look like. Tapping it again will show you the other person that you're working with. If you're using Zoom on an iPad, the controls will be in the upper right-hand corner, like you can see in the image here. However, they still work the same way as described before. And that's it. When you're done, all you have to do is hit the Leave button in the bottom right corner of the controls. I hope that this has been helpful for you. If there's anything else that you need, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Seeds of Literacy. Again, our number is 216-661-7950. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about our virtual classroom, and I hope to see you soon.